Alright, I just wanted to do a video for everyone. I own a lot in Lake Royale, North Carolina. It's a camping lot. You own the land. You can camp on it. That's my neighbor's shed. It's a 1/4 acre. And we're here with our truck camper. And we're on a 6-week trip. We were here for 4 days. We're heading down to Myrtle Beach today. But I paid 2 people to level my lot from Massachusetts. You can see my dog. But I had to raise it up 4 inches. Not very happy about that. And just wanted to give you a little feedback on our trip. We got a 2006 dually. The day we were supposed to leave, I had a leak. I had a nail in my tire. Went to get that fixed. The guy who fixed my tire broke my shock mount because he jacked my truck and camper up on the shock mount and broke that. So we couldn't leave for 2 days. So they fixed it, but still. And I got a new pair of shocks. Anyway, 2006 F350 dually with a 6.0. And I also have a 1996 Lance 980 Legend truck camper. We love it. So far it's been great. But I do have an issue. It's on the other side, but I'll show you this side. Where it bolts. You can see that one sagging just a little. Not much, but a little bit. And this has been reinforced, which is great. So that one looks fine. But look at the other side. So we drove from Cape Cod, Massachusetts. We drove down to Lewisburg, North Carolina. It was 800 miles. And I just put some duct tape over it because it's raining, because it pulled this open. But you can see how that's sagging now, where it's pulling out. You can see it's been reinforced here, but it doesn't look like they really reinforced that. So my plan is to go today, and I'm going to take this bolt out, and I'm going to get an eye hook and hook my tie down. Mount my tie down on here so it'll hold this camper on. It'll be way better than that. So that's my plan. Today we go to Myrtle Beach. It's only 180 miles, so it's a 4-hour trip. And then I'll have a couple days there, and we'll be able to do more. But yeah, we've had a few issues, but we're working through it. I'm really grateful for my truck camper group that gave me such good advice on how to fix this. So I'm going to do that today. In fact, I think I'll go grab my ratchet right now and take that bolt off, and so I can just get what I need right away. I think I'm going to put a strap on it, maybe for the trip today. Alright, just wanted to give everyone some feedback and do a little video on some of our little fiascos. There's been a few. Alright, so we're going to eat breakfast and we're heading out. I'll do another video at our next location. Say hi, Ben. Good boy, Ben. That's my good boy. Alright. Greetings from North Carolina. Have a great day.